Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to start with WordPress. First, you will need to select a web host and register a domain name, which typically costs around $12 to $15 annually. Most hosts offer a simple one-click WordPress installation, making setup incredibly easy. After installation, log into your WordPress dashboard using the credentials provided. This dashboard is your central hub for managing all aspects of your new website, from content to design. Next, personalize your site's look by choosing a theme. WordPress offers thousands of free themes in its directory, and many premium options are available for around $50 to $80. Use the WordPress customizer to adjust colors, fonts, and layouts without any coding. Additionally, install plugins to add features like contact forms or search engine optimization, enhancing your site's capabilities significantly. Now it is time to add content. You can create two main types of content: posts for blog entries and pages for static information like an About Us section. The intuitive block editor allows you to easily add text, images, videos, and other media. Organize your blog posts using categories and tags, which helps visitors navigate your content efficiently and improves overall user experience. Before launching, review your site's general settings and permalinks to ensure they are optimized. Implement basic security measures, such as strong passwords and a security plugin, to protect your site from common threats. Finally, remember to regularly update your WordPress core, themes, and plugins. These updates are crucial for maintaining security, accessing new features, and ensuring your website runs smoothly for years to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.